Hi girls, this is your video for 10B, translation. Okay, a translation is an isometric transformation. That means the figure that you're moving stays the same shape. That's all that means. Iso, this prefix here, means same, equal, okay? Same, not same. It involves a shift in a given direction. So we can talk about this thing. A vector is used to describe the distance and direction of a translation. So in this vector, 2, -3, it means right 2 in the x direction and down 3 in the y direction. Or this vector means left 1, so 1 in the x direction going left, negative, and 1 in the y direction or up, 4. Okay, great. So let's look at this. It says x is positive if you shift to the right. I believe that, okay? So x going this way is positive. And x going that way is negative. We knew that already. We know that about x and y. And y going up is positive, and y going down is negative. All right, so we still denote a and a dash. So let's look at it. It says state the translation vector that moves the point A, -1, 3, -1, 3, there's A, to A dash, 2, 0. So I have to tell how it moved. So here's my vector. I'll write it like that. And how it moved from here to there. Well, I'm going to say, we always put the x direction first, that it moved, I'm going to use a highlighter so you can really see it, that it moved in the x direction all the way over to there. Okay, so I count this, oops, yeah, over the way over there. So 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. Well, that's positive then, 3. And then it moved 3 down. So that's -3, because the y's are negative when they move down. So I'm sorry, you can't see that. So the x moved to the right, so it's positive, then down. Now somebody might say, well, how do you know you're not moving from here to here? Now I'm moving from the A to the A dash always. The original to the image. All right, here we go. Draw the image of the triangle ABC after a translation vector of -3, 2. And here I go. I'm going to use the highlighter, I think. Maybe I have a better pen to use than that, but you can see better than a highlighter. Here we go. All right, so I'm moving A, -3, so 3 this way and 2 up. Okay, there's my A dash. And I'm moving the C, the B, I'll move the B next, 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 2. So there's the B dash. And I'm moving the C, 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 2, 2, C dash. And then I connect the shape. Easy enough? So the vector tells me how to move, and it tells me how to move like that. Okay, there's your working.